Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add drop-down list in Wix. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply click on add elements and then go and click on list, and then here you're going to have different options, and what you're going to have to do is simply choose any of these that are available, or if you want you can also go to menu and anchor. And as you can see here, you have other options. As you can see, you can add a vertical menu, and basically what you're gonna have to do next. So if we go here to the header, we can simply basically go to pages here, then click on manage pages, and then you have site menu. So simply drag this under, so as you can see like this, and basically this will create the drop down list menu effect. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.